With the new Mini Me 2 machine, enjoying delicious coffee has never been easier. Let us show you step by step how to prepare a perfect latte macchiato in just a few minutes. What you'll need: 2 capsules, 1 milk capsule and 1 coffee capsule, your favorite cup or mug. So let's go. First, place your cup on the drip tray. Start with the milk capsule. This creates the unique creamy base. Lift the locking handle, place the milk capsule in the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle firmly. The level slider allows you to precisely dose the desired amount of beverage. Set it to the 5th bar. Press the start button, ensuring that the temperature button is already steady red and the start button is green. Let the milk flow. The start button and the temperature button will start blinking when the milk flow stops. You can also stop it manually anytime by pressing the start button again. When the start button turns solid green, open the capsule holder and remove the milk capsule. Now, prepare the coffee capsule for the coffee layer. Insert the coffee capsule. Push down the locking handle. Set the level slider to level 2. Press the start button. Let the coffee flow. The coffee will create nice layers on top of the milk. Wait until it stops automatically. Once the coffee flow stops, the start button and temperature button will start blinking. Again, wait until the start button turns solid green to open the capsule holder and remove the coffee capsule. Your perfect latte macchiato is ready. It's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy your latte macchiato.